Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Equilibrium output just rose in the short run, so which change could do that fast? Watch this, because we can eliminate the wrong moves quickly. An increase in short-run equilibrium aggregate output means the economy is producing more at equilibrium, so we need a change that boosts aggregate demand or supports expansion, not something contractionary. A decrease in the central bank's administered interest rates makes borrowing cheaper, which encourages consumption and investment spending, so aggregate demand rises and equilibrium output can increase in the short run. That shifts the aggregate demand curve right, raising short-run equilibrium output, while higher prices, imports, wages, or lower investment would not create that increase. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, watch signs and avoid rushing. Rule, trust what is given and check the steps carefully.